Good evening, good morning, and hello, internet friends. Here we go. We are here in day number 3 of our script, and let's just get into it without mumbling too much about life. Alright, so where we left off, recap. We're about to do a movie called The Human Pilot so far because I don't have a title for it yet. Alright, so what I'm planning today is to do these 9 shots. We have 4 now. We have the wide view of Earth at night with all the rings. We have the interior of Moon and the Earth. We do have a spaceship reference. I was thinking yesterday when I was making this, I was happy because I called Nano Banana to be a creative partner, and it actually rendered these things, but then I was thinking it looks way too like an architecture render from some software, which is weird, but we'll figure it out. Maybe we can make it more cinematic. That's what my plan was for today with this ship. We'll make it something like this, and if we look at the script, we do have the extreme close-up of the human pilot's eyes, which also was the thumbnail of the previous episode. We need the over-the-shoulder shot behind the pilot with the VIP scientists, a hot glitch insert shot with intercepted data flashing comet-like trajectory lines, exterior deep space shot of an unknown object, which is the meteorite. We should think of the meteorite and how it would look like, along with non-organic non-mechanical geometry and eternal light. Daily routine montage of the pilot alone, which is probably more shots. So let's see if we can do at least until shot 7. Otherwise, I'll do it tomorrow. So let's start. So with this interior, just want to try to do something else. I want to call Nano Banana and be like, make this interior in the style of the other interior that we have in here as a reference, and see how it works like. Something like this, and then we'll figure out how the ship looks like as well. But for now, we start slowly. Make the interior of image 1 look, oh no, transfer the style of image 1 to the style of image number 2. Right, let's see. Okay, and until that is getting done, we have to think about the extreme close-up with the early effect in very minimal blinking and controlled breathing. Over the shoulder shot from behind the pilot. We still didn't decide. I mean, I was a little bit confused on how the pilot looks like. Maybe we can try to get him to look more like the pilot in here. So let's try to also extract the pilot until it loads. Extract the pilot, render a frontal view and a back view. Let's see if we do have any success with this. Yes, and if we do, then we'll transfer this style with the reflections and everything. Do we have the prompt? Probably we do, but if we use to reuse, oh no, this is for the thumbnail, I'm sorry. just curious what prompt I used. We use synchronous eyes. Okay. Yeah, okay. Alright, good. So we do have front back. Does look more high tech, I like it. More like Dead Space vibes, right? Well then, if we do have this, then let's see if we will have any luck in recreating reuse and use these and string class, yes, and we'll try also with the other image and see what we get. This one first and foremost, yeah, great. Okay, and oh, that was fast. Also, they didn't extract the pilot. Okay, and the style, I don't really like it. It does look more realistic, but it still looks like 1960s. Okay, I'll just keep this for now. I'll keep that. I also like this, so I'll just place it in my mood board as a second reference. Yes. So we also see the evolution and where we got to. I must say this will take roughly 70 hours to accomplish this movie. Roughly. We are in 1 hour and a half or something. So you do have to have patience, and probably if you watch this in with the whole series done, you saw the movie and you're excited and you can't wait for the result to get where it is. Who knows? Who knows, man? Right now we are at the stage of creation. So I really like this. I take this for now. This is the vibe. This is the vibe that we're gonna use, and then we'll see with the other stuff how we'll proceed. Okay. I do like this style. Okay. Nano banana. Let's see nano banana. Oh, interesting. Okay. All right. So we do have some nice shots in here. Good. And okay, let's see if we choose this image. Can we make him be inside? Make the pilot in image 1. Change the background in image 1. So the pilot is placed inside image number 2. Maintain the close-up reflections and everything else the same. I'm constantly trying to write the prompts on my own, even though I don't know if they are grammatically correct all the time. But yes, and then place inside image 2. What if we don't write maintain the close-up and the reflections? What will happen? We don't know, we try. Alright, then let's say we have these images and we need some scientists behind them. And we'll do a cheat code, because I want to see how fast I can get over the shoulder shot. some VIP scientists, and I will use multiple reference images to see how it looks like. Might work, might not. Yeah, let's see. Over the shoulder shot. Okay, and then let's use some scientists just we see if it works out. So these are the main scientists, yeah. Use the scientist in image 2 and match the style. What about that? Okay, use the scientist in image 2 and match the style of image 1. Let's see. Will it work? Will it not work? I don't know. Oh, great. So it's not good. Not the best. No. No, this is so bad. Oh my god. This is not what I meant. Alright. Okay, so this guy sees the earth. Oh, but the car though. It looks like a car now. Looks like. So the past is placed inside image 2. Oh man. But it's good, it's good. We could get a close-up of the helmet. Okay. Can I change the front teeth? No. Not animate. Is that reference? Okay. Alright. No. Oh, the scientist got on. Interesting. Interesting concept. Okay, maybe if we zoom in on his face right now, we can fix all the problems in it. Frame. Let's frame the shot like in here. Frame image 1. In the style of image 2. Let's see. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, who knows. I like this idea of having the axis like this. So maybe we can create a high concept car, even though I like this spaceship as it is. Alright, we are getting somewhere, guys. So over the shoulder, no, the over the shoulder shot, it's a problem because how would you change the style, right? Okay, first and foremost, we need to isolate this style. What if? Crazy idea, but what if we have this same image, which is this, I hope. Oh no, look at that. Oh no, that's terrible. Oh my god. These generations are so terrible, I will just delete them completely out of this. Oh my god, this is so bad. Jeez. Delete forever. I don't want to see them. Okay, let's just try to see if we can get this guy. Make no. There are two scientists on the back seat. On the back seat. And okay, let's not use the reference with those animated scientists and just use these references. Might work. You see, this is why it's important to have the same style as a reference and not be rushed like me. But I really like to have all the references. Use image 2 but maintain the style of image 1. Great. Let's see. Okay, how do we fix this? Let's think. How do we fix this? I'll just maybe use this as a reference for now. I mean, he's in the spaceship, but maybe it's a dream sequence. Not a dream sequence, but when it's a close-up, it's a close-up. Okay, we'll leave this here for now. Just so we have it. Okay. Okay, we put this below for now. So we see what we have. Okay. Alright. We have this. I have to also think of his daily routine and where would this guy live. And find a meteorite. Meteorite. Yes. Let's see. Meteorite that comes towards Earth. I can use this as a reference, maybe. We can. Great. Oh man, the scientists look terrible. Okay. No problem. Let's see, how does it look like? Let's see if I just give and feed this into Nano Banana and see what happens. Alright. I should also try something else with this. Here. I'm gonna reuse this. Yeah. Recreate. Oh, not recreate. Reuse. No. Just put it here. Add to scientists. Add to scientists behind the pilot. If this works, then we will add more people behind the pilot so we can build up the routine, one might say, and we'll see how it happens. Just give me 2 seconds. I hear the dog. Gotta take the dog out. Alright, beautiful people, I am back. Dog is fine. So we did have 2 scientists in the back. I like this idea. Still looks like AI, but I accept. So I'll also structure this so we understand which shot is which, but for now this I will definitely do tomorrow so you will understand which shot is which. But for now we just put this in here, just we have like the vibe shot. It does look a little bit clean and polar. I like it, since the pilot goes to the Arctic Genome Facility. I also like this one. These things intercepted the meteorite. Many languages, I like it. Glitchy. Interesting. Okay, we'll just put it in the Figma in here. Just so we have a nice style. Yes, great. Okay, glitchy. Great. So this would be this would be hot glitch insert shot, then exterior display shot of an unknown object. We should change that meteorite. Okay, daily routine montage. So for the daily routine montage, maybe we should just because inside the montage we should have many types of people and many types of environments, and maybe should have the angle in a different way. Change the angle to a frontal shot. Then maybe we should also use Cinema Studio to get better shots, because I did try it with my alien and it does look nice. I tried it with many cameras, and this way we have all these references and we know what to use when we want to use it, or I want to use it. Constantly talking a plural for a reason. Okay, well, what if I just copy this and not use Cinematic Studio? Let's see if I just write Panavision, Millennium, whatever. Let's see. Maybe we do get something, and then after we get the frontal shot, then we can change the people and we can change the environment into a city. Maybe we can change it outside the Earth. See what we get. Maybe I should just clean the bad generations. Okay, we do have something like this. Frontal shot. Okay. Let's see if we have this frontal shot rendered, and then we have the Panavision and we compare it to see what we have. And then think about the sci-fi apartment. But if we have a sci-fi apartment, maybe we have to show his face, and it's not the best. It's not the best decision. I will show him from the back. Just waking up at every hour, looking at the city. Ooh, moody, I like it. Ooh. These are all generated by AI. Yeah. My god, like AI images are flooding Pinterest. Which is good because we don't have to pay copyrights, but it's also bad because once they get better we won't know the difference. Oh, maybe this would be good as a memory of the transparent woman that we were talking about. The transparent woman that is his crush. Okay, wait, yeah, okay. This is just like some mood shots. Maybe we'll use it, maybe not. We'll see about this. So these interiors we can delete. Okay, nice. Let's just grab this and put them down. Scientists, maybe we'll use them later. Okay, so the old pilot can be deleted, and now we have this pilot for now as a character reference. Okay, good, great. And this one can be kept in here. Good, very good. Looks nice. Okay, now we kind of locked inside the style. Not particularly satisfied with it 100%, but for now it's okay. Now it's fine. Yeah, and thinking about it, I do feel a bit comfortable. But you see, like this compared to this, I mean, it's not the worst. But then when it gets to here, maybe it won't sell the long vibe. But you see, like everything looks 3D. So then if we just decide on this style, we'll have this 3D Unreal Engine type of a vibe. Well, it is what it is. Okay, what else we have? The daily routine. Then public Earth media screen shows optimistic propaganda claiming the object is under control. Good. Earth media. Sci-fi news. Sci-fi news. Then we'll make it all our style. But for now we are. I just wanna get to a point where I'm satisfied with the storyboard, and you're satisfied with what you see. Like this too. Seven news anchor presenting the news. Do we have something or not? Weezer news. Alright. Whatever. Just some news anchor just telling its story. Shouldn't be that complicated, but should create our own avatar and so on and so forth. Probably will use Midjourney to get better characters, more cyberpunk characters. I don't remember if I still have my Midjourney on or not. Claim my username. Alright. I will. Okay, let me. Did generate a lot of stuff. I don't know how many credits I have left. Can I generate something? Subscribe. Look around. Okay, I will subscribe back. I did quit my Midjourney subscription because Nana Banana popped out and I didn't do anything for like 2 or 3 months, so I didn't want it to go to waste. But we will create a news anchor rather in Midjourney, so for now we'll leave it. During emergency transport. Okay, and then 2 shot inside the cockpit as the scientist begged the pilot to divert the course to Arctic Genome Facility. Okay, so the Arctic Genome Facility should be the last thing we see. Oh, no. So we turned it into this Panavision Millennium and it ruined the spaceship. So we won't use this prompt anymore for now. Probably in the cinematic studio they have a hidden prompt that keeps the image intact. Alright, let's see if we use this image. First we have to clean this earth. We do have to clean this earth. Panavision. Oh, this one didn't ruin everything. Great. Okay, we have to clean the visor. Make the visor of the pilot reflective and black. We shouldn't have like an earth reflection in every little video. You see, this is the details that we have to work on at the end, but something like this. So then when he gets to the Arctic Genome Facility, we're gonna be there. Now we should extract also this spaceship and make it our own, because now it's just like an image from the internet. Let's see how we make it our own. Alright. Extract the ship. Give me a front view profile and back view. Front view, yeah. Okay, generate. Amazing. Now we have the visor like this, which is amazing. Cool. Now because we have this, we'll see if we can do the routine shots, many shots. So first off, I should do it one by one. So first change the background to cyberpunk city. Let's see if it works. Now we are getting somewhere. Also, we should make it more dramatic, you know. Everything is still white and sterile, but I like it. The Arctic Genome Facility should be good. Arctic facility, yeah. Arctic facility concept art. Now we should find like an Arctic facility that looks interesting. Should also look cold, but also have a nice composition like this. You see, we have like a silhouette. Ooh, nice. This is the Arctic facility. Yeah, something like this. We're getting to AI land again. Don't know what's concept art and what's AI anymore. Yeah, okay. This looks more like an Arctic facility, doesn't it? Where they would send the human eggs. Arctic city, Arctic pyramids. Arctic pyramids? Oh my god. Alright, we're getting somewhere. This looks more like a sci-fi Arctic facility, doesn't it? Yes. Later on we'll put them in an edit, we'll do some sound design, we'll work a lot on the pacing and the editing rhythm. But for now we gotta nail the vibe. It's the only thing we should do. Nail the vibe. Okay, still thinking. Okay, cyberpunk city. Great, we have a cyberpunk city. Okay, interesting. But what if we put this in here? Now we have the cyberpunk city. Make the light more cinematic. Dark, moody neons inside the spaceship should be purple to match. No, blue. Now I gave Nano Banana multiple instructions. I don't know what it will give us. Oh, we have a blueprint for the ship, which is great. Front view, profile view, back view. Let's see if we can make it photorealistic. You see, if we create everything with AI, kind of lose the soul of everything. But since I don't have anyone else in the team helping me make this image photorealistic and add more details on the ship, make it yellow See? Again, multiple instructions. We'll see what happens with multiple instructions. Great. Great. Arctic facility it is. Oh, this one looks like a cold Arctic facility, but it's already AI. It's killing me. It's too much fantasy. Okay, but if I would choose this, like, first off, what is this? It's not synced. Second off, what you would go with the ship here, but then where do you enter? Oh, this is still AI slop. So hard. What a hypocrisy of me saying it's AI slop when I'm making AI, but I am making slop. We still have the power to curate, we still have the power to direct the story where we want. AI modified, obviously. At least the people have the, oh, I like this, even though it's AI. But now we have a road, so the ship can come here, bam, go inside, and from here just fly out. Maybe they have like something that would launch rockets. Okay, I like this. I know it's AI, but what else? Oh, nice. Now we are talking. More details. More details are never bad. Okay. Something else that we need is like make the background white. Okay, now we have a ship. Great. And slowly and steadily we build the script. We have the ideas. Now we gotta personalize everything and make it our own. Can't just use photos from Pinterest without modifying them, heavily modifying them. But it all serves for the story. I think it's complicated in the beginning. Oh, now we have something more moody for the routine. Great. Okay. And now we should replace the scientist. Replace the scientist behind with two cyberpunk goth girls. Let's see what will happen. I really think we should go in Midjourney and get a bunch of references for people and for city spots, because otherwise Nano Banana will always give us this vibe. And as I told you, Nano Banana has a well set style for the sci-fi, which is good for us, but in the end, if we all gonna start creating in this style, everything will look the same. Everything will look like it's made with Nano Banana, and it will be well known, and it's boring. But for a beginner to begin with, to understand how to use AI, it's great, it's good. Okay, what else do we have? Flux, speed optimized detail, next gen image generation. Let's try Flux. Take this here and say add some stickers on the ship. Okay, just curious what we'll get with Flux. Oh, this one will be in a bad format, no problem. this. Now we got a ship. Okay, also let's accidentally pressed enter. We get back to Nano Banana Pro, then go here, change the background to the ocean and the people behind to a family. Let's see what we get. Not the greatest. This one I did it by mistake, I'm sorry. Okay, so this was made with the flux. Did the flux change the spaceship? Okay, this one should be deleted. Okay, let's see. 1, 2. Yeah, I did. Did change the design. Stickers with America. I should put some stickers from my own world in Photoshop. You see, it added more details. A family, great. It looks like some religious textbook. But it did follow multiple instructions though. Now he looks like an Uber driver, I swear. But I just want to look how it feels like when we have multiple shots like this. See, this looks HD. What I was doing looks very bad. And always when I'm rendering a guy, it looks the same. That's not good. What is it, the same guy coming with his girlfriend and then coming with his family? What is this? Oh man. Let's put them all side by side and test it. Okay. The one with the two god girls, I see there's a problem. Still has to think. Okay, let me just put them side by side. Yes, so we will need to create some characters in Midjourney next time. Place them together next to each other. Bam, bam. They should be match cuts. Do some match cuts. Maybe it will look nicer. This is still thinking. Maybe we should use ChatGPT for prompting, which we shouldn't ever do. I don't know. Help me prompt diverse people behind the spaceship in this image. Give it an image. Maybe if we give the high quality image. And this image, I want to make multiple match cuts of this same angle, but with very people behind. Okay. So help me prompt diverse people behind the spaceship in this image. I want to create multiple match cuts of the same angle but with varied people behind. Give me 10 variations, people and scenarios, and bam, different. This is what I do to get away from Midjourney today, but tomorrow we might use it. So create 10 prompts that are different scenarios with different people, optimized for Nano Banana Pro. Okay, let's see, will it work or not? Who knows? This is still thinking. This is still thinking too. Alright. Scientists and then the Arctic Genome Facility. Alright. Maybe we'll get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shots like of the routine and see how it works. And then this guy goes to the Arctic Genome Facility, which is where? I don't copy it here. Did I copy it? No. Go back here. Copy. Okay, the Arctic Genome Facility should be here. Genome Facility. Genome Facility. Great. Should also know this reference. I know, but we'll keep it here. Alright. This is still in progress, Gemini. Still in progress. Oh no, this what? Oh man. Don't generate images, generate prompts. Complex. Alright, what about that? Yeah, I'll soon put it side by side with ChatGPT, I swear. Alright, new chat. Will it help? The corporate negotiate. Oh, we see, we see. So what? If I put this is optimized for Nano Banana. I'm curious. Okay, let's see. Let's see, man. Who knows? Maybe it will work. Fiber optic business suit. I like that concept. Okay, I'll copy another one. I don't check the unlimited even though I have it because it takes so much time to generate with the unlimited. We don't have time for that. Ooh, 81% of the credit used. Great. Just great. Well, if you do AI and AI movies, should always think. Oh, so Cyberpunk God Girls, nice. They all look the same, like they're the twins. Great. Maybe we should change the background to ghetto Balkan city corner. What about that? Yeah. Now we have the routine. Oh, what? Someone stole the car. Passenger, a tired South Asian father holding a sleeping child. That's not good. You see, this is what happens if we use AI to prompt. Oh my god. No. What? This is not good. Okay, make sure to keep the pilot in the same position and add the passengers behind, bro. Which means that we should also give it an image so it understands, like in the reference image. Like in the reference image. I did like the details that it used. I liked it. What about ChatGPT, huh? Some kind of composition as the reference image reference foreground view from behind. Oh, this is the reference image. Prompt around this and change the passengers behind that stay behind or next to our pilot. Okay. Or next to our pilot in different background contexts. Optimize for nano banana professional. Oh, passengers. You see, I'm not an English speaker, so a native English speaker. This is what happened. Good that I have Grammarly. God bless. Oh man. Oh no, please write the prompts. Don't generate the image. Loading Nano Banana Pro. Oh god. I mean, we can work with Nano Banana from here too, but oh, 10 prompts from our corporate transport. Okay, let's see. Pilot from image 10. What image 10? This is what happens if we write prompts. Replace with GPT and Gemini. Image 10 with image 1. And now it will change all the prompts. And rewrite the prompt. Very hard. See the God girl. Much better. Much better. It's all hazy. I don't like this haziness, but for the time being it's fine. I have 2 shots at night. This is more interesting. To have some match cuts. Great. Interesting. Corporate lady. Oh my god, this looks so fake. It's so fake and so ugly, but as a storyboard and as a beginning, it's just great. But even when you do a storyboard, you know, I was thinking, I do have the daily routine montage, but this is not just shot 7. This is multiple scenes we have in shot. It's shot 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just it's not made well. We have to think of this shot list and how to expand it somehow. How professionals do, man. We are professionals in it. Rewritten prompts with image 1. Focusing on the tattooed pilot from image 1 wearing his decorated black. What tattooed pilot? Oh, he used this reference. Oh my god. Oh god. Maybe I'm not expressing myself well, but this is the image. Oh god. This is the pilot, not the tattooed one. Okay, let's say GPT, did it help? Think I'm as reference Hamilton pink pilot in the foreground driving behind the pilot, two scientists, Harry and one black man, okay. Political delegates. Oh, it's written Nano Banana Pro. This is what it understood. Not a good reason why we shouldn't use ChatGPT for prompting, only for ideas. But from this level of detail to get into this level of haziness, it kills it. It really kills it for me. But for now we go with what we have. This looks more rich in detail. Okay, now we get back to the same problem. The lunar refugees. The lunar refugees. The cybernetic Harris. A young Brazilian woman. Don't even know if I should try this prompt, but I have to. Replace passengers with young Brazilian woman. Let's see. So curious. Cyberpunk. What about solar punk? Luxury. And then we go cyberpunk. Cyberpunk. Luxury. I'm really thinking maybe I should think this whole thing through, because otherwise we'll have to make thousands and thousands and thousands of generations till we get to the desired result. Okay, let's collect the spaceship as well. For now we'll keep this, not the most photorealistic one, but interesting. Spaceship. talking. Yes. Oh, I do see that I hit my hour mark for the day. All right. Let's see what we have. Oh, great. Just great. A young Brazilian lady goes on the moon. Oh, it rendered the city on the moon now for us. Why did it turn everything into this color? Not that it's a bad color, because the spaceship will be yellow, so maybe it should have this yellow interior. See? We discovered something new with the AI, for the AI routine. Alright, so for now we do have the routine of the pilot. We have the hot scene of the meteorite coming, preparing us. Pilot thinking about life and love, the earth, the spaceship, which will be yellow, because if it's white, it's not that cool. And now we changed it a little bit, changed the design a little bit, inspired ourselves from the internet, from Pinterest. Now we should make it all leather. Leather looks more comfortable, honestly. This is too sterile. Get back this type of quality of image. Then do the match cuts, which is great. And potentially tomorrow we will use Midjourney to get characters, because using Gemini or ChatGPT, as we can see, is not giving us the desired results. Like, it's too chaotic, we don't know what to choose, and it looks like it's some kind of a weird commercial. But for now we do have some match cuts with the daily routine, the spaceship, the new pilot character, Earth, and so on. Well, alright then, people. Thank you for staying here with me for another hour. If you did, if you didn't, I will learn from this on my own. And when the film is done, you will love it. You will definitely love it. I'll place in some special Balkan flavor into it. But until tomorrow, thank you and goodbye, people.